Hello, here's how to upload a logo like this to your store. Okay, first log into your store, click view store, then click design and font and color, right? So I've already uploaded a logo here, but if you want to upload a new logo, it's the same process. Okay, so in this case I'm just going to replace this logo with another one. So I'm going to click the replace button and I'm going to click this to upload. But for those who want to know roughly what's the size of the logo you should upload, for example, it should be around say 400 pixels wide by about say 170 pixels high. Alright, so I'm going to upload this one right here. It's slightly shorter in height. Alright, I'm going to click save changes. You can see it's already here, right? Save changes. I'm going to go back to view store. This is the old logo, so you're going to have to refresh the page because it's still cached. Control F5 and voila, that's it.